Hi guys!
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Michael Shu and
This is Cynthia.
And today we are going to do a what's in my flight bag. Cynthia did not know that we're going to film this video, so we're going to see what's actually in her flight bag. Here, I got it. She says it's messy and that's why we're doing it, to see what it's really looking like.
Just a heads up, this is a flight bag that I've used since like instrument. It's
going to be great. It's such a, alright, tell us about this bag. It's so square and boxy.
So actually this flight bag was given to me by our chief flight instructor, and every time he sees me walking around with it, it's like, nice bag. So I've kept it since, and it's actually 100 times better than my old bag. Alright, so.
Okay, let's dive right in.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the main zipper.
Okay.
Gosh, I wish I knew I had this happening today.
It's not too bad.
We have my logbook, and it's tabbed out because of the checklists that I've taken.
Wait, what kind of stuff do you tab out? I didn't know this. What kind of stuff do you tab out?
Well, I highlighted and tabbed out that I have my TA training. So the last checklist I took was for commercial. So I had TA training.
What's TA training?
That's technologically advanced aircraft.
Okay.
So it's an aircraft with autopilot.
Okay.
So day cross country, night cross country, long cross country. So everything that's about that, I highly recommend tabbing it out and highlighting it so the DP can just open it and
know where
it'll
it's
be much quicker.
Alright,
So here's that.
Logbook, what else is in here?
This pocket is full of multiple pens because if I had $1 for every time I lost a pen, I would be very rich.
So true, okay.
So I keep 3 pens in that zipper. Next up is headset.
Okay.
I've had this headset since my PPL. It's a David Clark. It's awesome. I love it. And I do wear lipstick a lot.
Okay.
You can see the stain.
Okay.
Hold that. Next up, this thing.
Whoa, so this is like an all-in-one.
Yeah. So
It's kind of small.
when you fly, you put it around your leg like this. And since I'm doing CFI now, I put it on my right leg so I can have this hand-free for throttle and everything. You obviously can tell like how much I've written in this. So you write all the ATIS in there, and then iPad inside. We use the G1000 for navigation, but backup just for your iPad.
Right. So this is, let me see this. I need one. So this is iPad mini. Is it iPad mini?
Yes.
iPad mini.
And I got this at Mark Golden. It was $60 and it's worth it. I've had it again since PPL.
$60.
But it's
worth it.
Been worth it. Continuing. So we have our handy dandy checklist. And again, we got this with the program. It's a coast. So we fly the PA-28 Alphas. So it's the G1000. Cool.
All right, checklist,
And
keyboard. Oh,
pro
and more.
tip.
Pro tip.
Write your name on the front. And it's gonna come off eventually because, you know, we just throw our checklist in there, and then also write your name somewhere in the middle of your checklist. Because they're gonna get lost, and that checklist has been returned to me at least 3 times.
All right, pro tip, write your name.
Okay, so I have a flight book in here.
Why do you have that in?
So one fact, when I flew the Cirrus back from Cincinnati.
You flew Cirrus?
I did. So my flight instructor bought this and he gave it to me when he left for the airline. So I just keep it in my bag for
just
good
in
luck.
there, okay.
Okay, next up. We have some foggles.
Follow, very important.
So I don't really use these anymore.
Right.
But when we do unusual attitudes for CFI training, you should put your students in these.
Okay, foggles, very important.
Yep. And now we get to like the dirty part of my bag.
We're getting everything in your flight bag. Let's see what's in it.
So what I do is I write the list of what I want to do that day on that flight.
Oh.
I highlight the stuff that I'm, like in yellow, it's the stuff that I'm really good at, and then the purple is the stuff that I've done or need work on.
So you do this for every single flight?
Yeah.
Oh wow, good student right there.
All right.
Wait, is there nothing else? Just to make sure.
Next up,
There's
we have my wallet.
very important for flying.
You need your government issued ID.
There you go.
And you have your phone in here, but that's not a big deal.
Okay.
In the back here, this is where I keep my temporary.
Your medical? No, this is your
Nope,
flight
it's my
bag?
temporary. I
Oh,
still
okay.
have yet to receive my,
Alright.
what's it called? My
Your actual-
my actual certificate in the mail.
Right.
So right now I'm just flying with my temporary.
Okay.
And in here, I just keep my really cool
Ooh.
pilot glasses.
Is your sunglasses when you fly?
Yeah.
What sunglasses are these?
They're just Ray-Bans.
Ray-Bans?
That's really cool.
Okay. Wait,
That's
What's
pretty
the other
much.
checklist? There's another checklist.
Oh, so I used to fly the old Archers.
Oh.
And I just keep this checklist in here. You never know when you're gonna fly something.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's pretty much everything that I keep in my flight bag.
Is there nothing else? Okay. Every zipper, every pocket.
I mean,
Oh,
there's
you got
literally
it.
just trash in here. What else?
Or
is
side
there?
pot. I don't know. I just want to see. Make sure.
There's literally nothing else.
Okay, okay, I
Oh
love-
yeah, keep a flashlight.
See?
So
Is
we
it a
have-
red light?
It's a red light,
Ooh, for night flights. You guys
and
flying
you'll
at
get there.
night.
It's for night flying, and then the front is obviously for when you do your pre-flight at night.
Pre-flight at night.
Yep.
Alright, so this is everything that's in Cynthia's bag. If you guys like this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, like button, and don't forget to.
Subscribe.
And please, if you have any questions, leave in the comments down below. Me and Cynthia would love to answer your questions. And don't forget to follow Cynthia on Instagram, which is
Cynthia_Hernandez _Z.
double Z. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Michael Shu out. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.